Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to listen to our interactive read aloud called Protect the Environment. What does environment mean? Your environment is the nature that surrounds you, including land, air, water, trees, and animals. To protect something means to keep it safe. Recycle. To recycle means to take something old and turn it into something new. Many of you recycled things to make a new musical instrument for Mrs. Michael. Wisely. When you do something wisely, you use what you know to make good decisions. Encourage. When you encourage someone, you give them help and advice. All right, boys and girls, let's listen to this story.
Protect the environment. What ideas do these children have to protect the environment? Take a breath of fresh air. Sip some clean water. Go for a walk at your local park. Air, water, and parks are parts of our environment. We need a healthy environment to survive and to enjoy life. Sometimes, people hurt the environment, but you can help to protect the environment every day. Some places do not have enough clean water. That is why we must not waste water. Take short showers or shallow baths. Turn off the faucet while you brush your teeth. Collect rainwater in a bucket and use it for your houseplants. Using cars can pollute the air. To keep the air clean, use cars less. Instead, ride your bike, walk, take the bus, or share a car with others. Another way to protect the air is to plant trees. Trees take away some dirty air and make clean air. Every new tree adds clean air to the environment. Now, let's talk about garbage. We need to keep our environment clean and free of trash and litter. When it comes to garbage, follow the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. When you reduce, you buy fewer new things and make less trash in the world. Sharing is one way to reduce. When you share a book or a game, you do not have to buy new ones. If you fill a reusable water bottle with tap water, you do not need to buy plastic water bottles every time you are thirsty. Reusing means using the same thing many times. This helps you make less trash. For example, take the same cloth bags to the grocery store every time you shop. That way, you will not have any plastic bags to throw away. Writing on both sides of your notebook paper is another way to reuse. Recycling is the last of the 3 R's. Lots of trash is recyclable, so it should go in a recycling bin instead of the garbage can. Some examples of recyclable trash are soft drink cans, cardboard, paper, glass jars, plastic bottles, and yard waste such as grass and leaves.
Why are the children cleaning up the park? Where are they putting the trash? Do you think it's important to clean up your parks? I certainly do.
Today, we are lucky to have electric lights, battery-powered games, and machines that wash our clothes. But all of these objects use energy, and using too much energy can hurt the environment. Also, there are limits to how much energy we can use. That is why we always must use energy wisely. There are many ways to save energy, or to use less of it in the first place. Turn off lights that you are not using. Ask your family to buy special light bulbs called CFLs because they use less energy. Unplug computers and televisions when you go on vacation. Also, you can save a lot of energy if you hang your clothes to dry outside instead of using an electric dryer. Heat and air conditioning are major energy users. If your heat is on, make sure all the doors and windows are closed. When the weather is warm, open some windows instead of turning on the air conditioning. Or even better, ride bikes to the park with your family and swim in a cool lake.
Why are these people hanging their laundry outside? How are they protecting the environment?
Humans have the power to change the environment of all animals and plants. Every year, many types of living things die because of human activities. For instance, we sometimes destroy the homes of animals to make room for buildings or roads. Or we dump trash in rivers and the fish and plants die. You can help protect land. If you have a yard, help your family make a compost pile. This is a place where you can throw away food waste, such as banana peels and potato peelings. Over time, your food scraps turn into healthy soil. Helping plant trees or a garden is a way to make the land healthier. Gardens also save energy. If people grow their own food, then trucks do not need to transport food from far away. To help wildlife, learn more about animals and how they live. Go to parks, wildlife preserves, and other places where you can appreciate nature. At a national park, you can join a Kid Ranger program and help keep the land safe and clean for animals. Next, encourage your friends and family to help protect the land in your community. It all starts with you.
What are these people doing? Why is it important to protect land and animals? Thank you for listening to today's story.